Assalamu alaikum. Hello YouTube team. First of all, thank you very much for this option appeal button. My channel name is MJ Official and I started uploading videos on 30 December 2019 and it has a total of 34 videos. And you can see my channel URL on screen as per your instruction. I make informative videos on my channel like how to earn online and make updates of social applications and upcoming movies. I added my video to Camtasia Studio software. I record my voice and add to it. I do not use any audio. Our video content of all videos is my original content and I voice over do it myself. अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको दो रबल मैनिंग वेबसाइट का लाइव विड्रा लेकर दिखाऊंगा. Also you can see my videos description that shows that all content used in videos for fair use only as per the copyright laws of the United States. Recognize a fair use of copyrighted content, section 107 of the US. Hope I explained very well about my channel correctly, and also I hope you understood what I explained to you. Awaiting your decision response in the shape of Monetize Channel. Thank you very much.